Alrighty, today in this little tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to program memories into the Southwestern Bell FM-2552/FM-2000 series phones. Right here I have a Southwestern Bell FM-2552 telephone hooked up to a laptop power supply for this demonstration. First things first, what you want to do is pick up the phone. Normally you would hear a dial tone, but because of the fact that there is no dial tone on this supply, it is only getting talk power, as you can probably hear. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear all of these out. Alrighty. So first things first, we're going to learn how to program the 3 button memories. What you do is you pick up your phone. You will, in some cases, possibly hear a dial tone. I don't, but that's not because there's a bad line. It is because this thing is hooked up to a power supply. So what we're going to do is we're first going to go ahead and program this. So I'm going to hit the store button, which is, there's a 3-pack of buttons just below the flash button, and then there's another 2 buttons. One of them is mute, and the other one is redial. So let's go ahead and enter some numbers. So first you hit store. And in this case, I'm going to dial 91 before the phone number, as this will be part of a phone system. Oops. Just so you know what DTMF sounds like. Okay, that's what DTMF dialing sounds like. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and enter the number. Okay, so what I did was I entered North Shore Care Supply's phone number, and I stored it in the top position of the dialer. I stored it in the memory 3 position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply put the phone back down on the hook and pick it up again, and okay, so there is that. Now I'm going to pick the phone back up again, and this time I'm going to enter the number for MasterCard into the second position on the dialer. So I press the store button, then I dial 91, and then the phone number that I wish to dial, and then I push the second button above the 2 key on the keypad. So here we go. Okay, now let's pick up the phone again, Now normally you don't have to do this, you can just continue on, but I'm giving this phone a rest. So let's go ahead and store the number. Oops.
How'd they go? Did you understand everything? No issues? You got, what did you sign this time? Man, that was fast. That's why I love Miss Wheeler, so she doesn't give you a lot of problems.
So yes, what you have to do, if this is going to be part of a landline phone system, is to dial out, you have to dial 91. In this case, I put my aunt's number in the third position on the 3 priority memories. So here we go. So there's that. Now we're going to teach you a little bit how to program the memory dial. Now this is a bit like the 3-button, the priority dialer, but it's got a completely different setup to it. So what you want to do is you want to pick up your phone. If it's a trimline phone, you want to pick up the phone. Normally you'd hear a dial tone. In this case, I'm going to make a dial tone sound, so you know what I mean. Okay, normally you'd hear a dial tone, and hopefully not that loud, but you would hear a dial tone. Now, even if you do get an error message from the phone company through the line, you can still continue programming of the phone. I recommend that if you're going to program phones, you'll want to hook them up to a power supply to program them. This way, this does not happen. So, what you do is you hit the store button. In this case, I'm going to store, I don't know, a school number. So, first we dial 9-1, and then the number we want to dial. Okay, now this is where we run into an issue. As this number does have extensions, I want to be able to dial an extension. So, I hit the redial button for a 4-second timeout, or for a 4-second timer. If you want 8 seconds, you hit it twice, and I'm going to store this in memory 1. To do that, you first hit the memory button, and then you hit the memory location that you want to store it in. So let's pick it up and dial. Okay, that should be good. Alright, so here you go. Let's pick up the phone. Alright. And let's simply hit the memory button. To dial memory numbers, you gotta hit the button and okay, that is the 4-second delay between the number being dialed. So, there's that. Now we're going to try a number that does not have extensions. In fact, we're going to try 3 of them. So, I'm going to pick up the phone. I'm going to hit store. In this case, we're going to try my friend Levi's number. So, oops. Uh-oh. I think we went overtime on that. Alright, first, we dial 9-1 to get out on a long-distance trunk. 9-1. And then we hit memory. Then we hit 2. And then we hit store. If you want to hit store. Alright, so here you go. Let's pick the phone up and see what happens. memory, and then, oops. Okay, that was, let's try that again. Okay, there is that. Now let's try the third one. Like usual, dial 91 to get out if it's going to be part of a phone system. Pick up the phone, and then 91-317-222-2222. That's going to go on memory location 3. That is actually the time and temperature number. So let's hit memory 3 and start dialing. Okay, that was the time and temperature. Now let's put in another time and temperature number, just for kicks and giggles. Store 91-812-882-1441. Memory 4. Store. Okay, let's pick it up and dial using the memories. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, you do this for the rest of the memories. In this case, there are about 6 memories left. So you would do this for the rest of the memories. Remember, press store, enter the telephone number you want to dial, plus the dial out prefix if there is one, like 91 for example, before dialing the area code and phone number. If you want to dial an extension, after dialing the actual phone number, press the redial key for a 5-second or for a 4-second wait period before dialing the last 3 or 4 numbers. Now I'm going to do this with a school number again. So hit memory 1, or memory 0 in this case. Oops. Memory. Okay, as you heard, that was the 1-second timeout. Wonder what memory 1 is. Okay, it turns out memory 1 is the same thing as memory 0. So let's clear one of those out. To clear a memory, you simply push store, memory, and the memory you want to clear. In this case, we're going to clear... No, I don't want to clear that. Oh, wait, yeah, I probably did. Yeah, I cleared memory 1 by accident. Oh well, we can fix that. I'm going to clear everything. Clear memory 3. Okay, so that's all 4 of them cleared. Now we're going to try this again. Okay. Okay, there's that. Okay, and for the final one. Oh, did I even do that properly? Make sure. Oh boy, it is actually a good thing I seen that. Alright. Okay. Alrighty, so there's that. Alright. Alright. Oh. Alright, so there is that. That is how you program the memory dial on a Southwestern Bell FM-2552 or FM-2000 series phone.
Indian map 2, the duration, waveform bit duration, 18 minute 2 in 2, wait, current pause.